No, I can't cook. Unfortunately, I cannot cook. Sykes, I can cook and I can cook well. But there is no groceries at the house for breakfast. So that is why I came out to have some soup, but I have stuff to do, so I just came to have some soup. But I can cook. I can really cook good. I cooked rice and peas for the first time the other day, and it came out very, very well. Everybody liked it. It came out very, very well. Yeah, I can cook good. I can cook well. I did foods in high school, and I have it in CXC. I have it in CXC. Let me block this person. I'm sick of you weirdos coming to my page telling me that I'm letting people get under my skin and stuff like that. Like, fuck the fuck off. Your people are annoying. You know, when these bitches making tons of videos about me, I see all of you people on their pages telling them that yes, they're right, and you're not telling them that they're upset or they're obsessed. But you're telling me for defending myself that I have high blood pressure and I am miserable and I like to argue and all of this. Like, fuck you, bitch. Go to their pages and don't come to mine. I'm sick of you hypocrites. I'm not asking nobody to support me. I mean, no one to feel like saying the need to support me, because I stand alone and I stand with Shango. I stand with God. I don't stand with man. But best believe, say, if I call, if I make 2 phone calls, if none of them violate me certain way, things are going to get done. Never feel like, say, me a weak fence like that, but stay over on the people them page and stop come on my page. I don't ask no one to support me. Even if I sit down and I just attack, or just come with the same old argument them over and over and over again with bad energy. You cannot dictate to people how them to behave, especially when time people constantly depend them. I don't see none of una tell them people when time them attack me, say them to stop it. And you know all ways I make it look like say I'm me a trouble them, I'm not trouble none of them.